everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix a hacked or disabled Instagram account. If your Instagram account was hacked or disabled, don't panic. Here are the steps you can take to recover it. If your account was hacked, Instagram usually sends an email to your registered address. Look for a message saying your email or password was changed. If you see it, click revert this change and take back control. Now reset your password. On the login screen, tap forgot password. Enter your username, email or phone number. Instagram will send you a reset link. Use that. Create new strong password. Next, if you can't reset the password, tap need more help on the login page. Fill out the account recovery form. Instagram may ask you to confirm your identity with a photo or ID. If Instagram disabled your account, you see a message when you try to log in. Tap learn more and follow the instructions to appeal. You may need to explain why your account should be restored. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll have the best chance of recovering your hacked or disabled account. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you guys did, make sure you hit the like button and the subscribe button, and do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you all so much for watching, and